we have here is an intersection, but initially we're going to make our U-turns. We're going to use just one leg of the intersection right here. So you're going to come from where the bikes are parked. You're going to be hugging the cones. That means staying nice and close to the cones. You're going to get over here. You're going to make a serious dip around this cone, just like you did in the very first exercise. You're going to dip around this cone and then head for the green cone and then snap your head over your left shoulder and make this turn. Right now it's at 27 feet. That's gigantic. Now you were making 27-foot turns over there. There's just more cones here, so it looks a little different, but it's the same thing. The motorcycles we have here today, every one of them will turn in 2 parking spaces. I'm giving you free, because I'm a generous guy, but I'm going to tighten it up. So I'm going to demonstrate this. The more serious you make this dip, the more aggressive that dip, the easier the bike will come around. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. That's it. Watch carefully.
That's it.
One more time. 8 miles an hour. Very good. That's about 24 foot. Try that 18 foot. Your 2 lanes in Switzerland are 9 foot. For now, just use as much space as you want, but that's the goal, 18 foot. See, she didn't dip that bike at all. It's going to hurt her. Could still make it because there's a lot of room for error, but
The sharper you make the turn, the better. Dip is the turn.
the more serious the dip, the more aggressive that dip, the easier it becomes because you built momentum into the bike. Whoa, 18 foot 6. 18 foot 6 inches. No dip. See that? She's just pointing it. Makes it more difficult. Now that's a dip. She came in a little high, a little too fast. He's got about that perfect speed for the 18-foot turn. Whoa, 18 foot 4. One more time, one more. One more time. One more time. Do it again. First try at it. So far, so good. Nice use of space. Excellent so far. Very good. He did. This rider is known to fold under pressure. Let's see how he does. Cut himself short. Still made it.